Say no, Paco.
Yes.
Paco.
Yes.
When it comes down to us giving you a bath, you hate it. But you like to do it for your own in the actual shower, don't you?
Yes. You're okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're fine. You're fine. No.
His eyes.
Yes.
We love you, but you need to get clean.
Yeah. Who killed a bird today, huh? That doesn't fly well. Yes.
When you use Olay
Yes.
and Fleece shampoo,
Yes.
you're gonna smell extra clean like a princess.
Here, we won't let it splash anywhere. Yes. Yes.
I think somebody outside is hearing this. They're like, animal abuse. No, it's called shower time with the what's that word?
You're okay. You're okay. Don't ask me anything like that. I'm not gonna stop. No, I'm not gonna stop. No.
Do you want me to help, like?
Maybe. Oh, he's okay. Get his chest. That's. Yes.
Get his paws now and his back.
Because.
He's like, why? Come on, get the back now.
He's so macho when he's killing birds. No. He's looking at the camera like, if you see this video, I really need you.
$1 a day can help
man.
Paco.
Okay, move it away from his face. He's going to kill me. All right, let go now.
$1 a day.
Turn it off now.
$1 a day.
I didn't mean all the way.
Oh, well. $1 a day.
Now we just need to...
Yes.
What was that word?
He's like, yes, please, $1 a day. I'll get my weed.
All right, now...
No, just kidding.
It's getting hot. No. Okay, we're done. We're gonna
Look at him. He's like, excuse me.
Now? All right, get the towel. Get the towel now.
Okay.
Yeah, you can stop that.
Okay.
His heart's beeping fast.
Love you, Paco.
Yes, you are.
Finishing touches.
Okay, hurry up. Give me the towel. Give me the towel.
He's like, I
or
hate
he's
you.
Going... And here's the baby after his bath. Good night.
He's so tired.
Oh, his
Ew,
eyes look...
I need to get my
Oh, he's so tired. Good night.